It's as if you're in like gravity suddenly weighs like 50% more, right? Everything is like pretty much, or you're in like this, like you're in like just slow moving. It's like sticky syrup. It's like that. We need that. Okay, can you try that? That feeling is like stuff weighing you down, like that. Okay, try one more time. Okay, your hands, you're pushing with your first finger of your right hand. That's where all your pressure is coming from. I need you to like hold with your set, with almost imagine like you're just not the side of your first finger, but rather yeah, almost like that. Yeah, try that. Okay, now shape it. Well, it's darker, that's for sure, but now let's get rid of you know how coffee at the bottom has like those like the soil stuff? Like, let's get rid of a little bit of that. Let's make it just pure darkness. So that means you need to technically, I think some of those are getting a little bit grindy. So like get a little, like either move your bow a tiny bit faster, like 2% faster. Right? And let's try that. And then shape it towards the middle. Okay. But you notice how like little your bow is? Like you're just pretty much only using like this much. Like you need to, you can make this whole thing way bigger if you used more of your bow. If you expanded, but everything in ratio, right? Okay, so try it. That's a good sound.